Today I'm doing a review on Lightning El Drago. Joking! I am doing an unboxing of Meteor El Drago. It's my first Sonokong or Takara Tomy Beyblade. So let's get right into it. But first let's go into around the box. So I think that says Meteor El Drago right there, and then you can see it's season 2. And then it's left wing 105 left flat. So let's just get, and the side, turn 180 degrees, get like a different mode, and then Bay Launcher L, and yeah. Oh, and there's a good combo, 100. So Meteor El Drago 100 wide defense, and yeah. So this time, let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna cut this open. Hopefully this works. Yep, there. And just take it out from the side. And there, the box is empty. Nothing. Okay, so put that right here so you can see the top, I guess. Right there. And then, okay, so first looks, it looks really nice. Okay, so here's the left wing and the left flat, so let's open that up first. Oh, and also when I got the Beyblade, I got 3 Beyblades. I got Gravity Perseus, Meteor El Drago, and Galaxy Pegasus. I haven't opened those 2 yet. But when I got it, it came with this ripcord. So I'm very happy. It's really long. Okay, so here's the left wing. Oopsie. There we go. So yeah, pretty nice. Looks like it could do some good stuff. And the left flat. Apparently this is a very, very loud tip. And it looks really nice, and can't see it's a left. So you just attach that to this, and you've got the track in the bottom. And now the bay itself. Okay, so here it is, Meteor El Drago. Okay, sorry about that, but here it is, and it's really exciting. Oh, they're clear face bolt, clear blue with El Drago on there, and yeah, this is a pretty heavy wheel because it does have rubber on it, nice designs. So yeah, it's an ultimate zombie Beyblade, and this is the Meteor, or yeah, wheel, and it looks really nice and do some serious damage. So let's just put it all together quickly in. I'll make it so the silver is showing, I guess. Yeah, I'll make it so the silver is showing because a lot of people say that's the best mode. Okay, so now just tighten that up. The tool's right, probably right in front of me, which I can't find. I'll just use this tool from back here. It's an Aquario tool. Okay. And don't want to forget the Bay Launcher L. Okay, this is really exciting because I don't have a Bay Launcher. Well, I have okay, so the handle's really big, and it's really feels really nice and smooth. And there's the tattoo, and oh, it's so Weird, where's my tool? Oh, well, it doesn't really matter. So like I said, you can also put the regular Eldrago on there. And Meteo Eldrago. So, yeah, here's the Bay Launcher. And Lightning Eldrago. Well, let's do a quick comparison, I guess, between the two. If I haven't lost, wow, oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, there they are. Facebook, this one, the Hasbro version has Eldrago on it, but this is regular Lightning Eldrago, and I haven't put any stickers on this one except for the Facebook. And then here's the bottom, so this one looks pretty tall. And yeah, so thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for unboxings of Gravity Perseus and Galaxy Pegasus. So remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. It's Goop9000 out.